Hello class, I am making this video to quickly walk you through how your course is going to work in Canvas. So this screen that you're looking at right now is your view in Canvas when you've already logged into your English 1302 course. So the first thing here you'll see is the OER textbook. Like I said it in one of my announcements, that your professors put together an OER textbook for you guys, which means the textbook we will be using for this semester will be absolutely free of charge. And the link is provided right here. And if you click on this, you can access the OER textbook by clicking further on this link. So that's where you will see your textbook. To reach the page, if you click on home page or on home, what you'll see is a general introduction to the course. Here is a welcome note and general information regarding Canvas. The place you need to go to is here, modules. Okay, this is where you will click to know what's going on in class, what's due when, and this again is the same page where I showed you your textbook. Okay, I do have office hours, and this link will bring you to a Zoom room. When you log in, I want you to actually talk into the mic and say hello or hey professor, because usually what happens is all the Zooms open, I am on a different folder or in a different page, and I don't see that someone's there if you don't talk. Okay, so this is week 1, and this is how every week will look like. I have broken your class into weekly modules. This is week 1, and you see week 2, 3, 4, and so on, okay, up until the final. So week 1 is already open to you. Every week, a new module will be made available to you on Monday morning at 6 o'clock. And the old one, even if it's still available to you guys, the assignments will shut down. They will no longer be available. And since Canvas doesn't do it automatically, whenever I get a chance, I will come in and close the old modules. So be very prompt on submitting your assignments, on staying on top of things, okay? So week 1, this is how each module looks like. Here we have read lecture notes. If you click on that, it actually takes you to a page where I have uploaded the lectures that go along with this week's assignment. So it's the basics of the writing process, the general rules of writing. I'm not going to click on that, but you get the idea. So these lectures are usually directly linked to the quizzes you're going to take that week, okay? So they are important for you. And what I've done here is, you see it's the same basics of writing process and the general rules of writing. I've created videos regarding those notes that I've shared with you. So you can either watch the video or read the PDF files, okay? So here it says listed below are the assignments that are due this week. Remember I told you everything is going to be due on a Monday morning. If it's anything different, like I believe the midterm is due on a Friday, again, it will clearly tell you here and other places as well when an assignment is due. So to take the quiz, you will click on the syllabus quiz, and it will allow you to start taking it once it's available. Right now it's locked, but as soon as it's available, which is first day of your classes, it will be made available. You will be able to take that quiz. And the other thing we have due is the class introductions. Again, you will click on this link, class introductions, but click on reply, and then it gives you the option to either attach a file or just type in your answer or your introduction right here. And for introductions, I just want you to type it out, don't attach a file. It's easier for me to review this stuff. So going back to modules. This is week 1, and this exactly the same way every week a new module will be made available. The biggest thing that you have to be careful about is that you don't miss assignments. Every assignment is worth something, and it's never a good thing to get a 0 on anything. Okay? All my class policies, attendance policies, and everything are in your course syllabus. To take this quiz as well, you'll need to read that syllabus. After these 2 assignments, you're done for week 1. Now, Monday morning, week 2 will be made available. Okay? Right now, it's faded because if you see it says locked. So once it's Monday morning of that week, this module will be available and you have a discussion and another quiz due. In the same manner, week 3, here you actually even have an assignment due besides a discussion and a quiz. So this is how your semester will move forward. Okay? So for your syllabus, go up here in the left-hand menu, click on syllabus, and the syllabus, you can either go to the HB 2504 link and get it from there, but I've also dropped the PDF file. So if you click on that, it should open your syllabus for you within Canvas. You don't have to leave Canvas. Here you'll find all the information regarding policies and how grading is going to work and all sorts of things. Okay, make sure you read the instructor policies because they will apply to your course. I believe I've covered the basics for you to get familiar with how your course is developed and is going to work in Canvas. Okay, I'll try to keep it very simple and consistent. Okay, every week the module is going to look pretty much the same, but the assignments, the lectures, the supporting videos, they'll keep changing and we'll keep moving forward into the semester. Another thing you will notice is right here, it says sample essay. I try to provide you with a sample so that you can look at that and have a better view or better idea of what I'm asking you to do. Okay? Besides all this, if you ever have a question, write to me. This is your best way to get in touch with me. I'm pretty quick in responding, and you don't have to wait for that one day where I have office hours. If you have a question, you write me an email and I'll get back to you. Alright, you guys enjoy this semester. Like I said, write to me if you have any questions. Don't procrastinate. Don't miss any deadlines. Stay on top of things. Okay, good luck and enjoy.